Alright, so if you're watching this video, it's a pretty good chance that you want to start your own online business, or you are someone that already done drop shipping and want to scale it. Well, the tool that I'm going to show you today will change this whole thing. I'm talking about saving you thousands of dollars and saving you time. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, so the tool that I was talking about earlier in this video is this, adsyria.com. This is a tool where it has everything you need to start your drop shipping, or you want to build your drop shipping store. To get it started, all you gotta do is just click on get started, and you can see only for $19.95. You might think it's a lot, but I'm telling you, $19.95 is not a lot. The amount of information that you get from this is a lot. I'm gonna show you now. Alright guys, so once you picked your plan, you can see that after that we are going to head over this page. You can see we got these categories on the top. We got home, handpicked product, live product spy, store finder, store analyzer, and audience builder. You can see that on the home we don't got that much details. We just got some of the new products that are coming in, and also we got some new update announcements, so we don't worry too much about that. But the thing that makes this website very good is this section, handpicked product. So I myself had a struggle with finding winning products. I was searching for an hour now, but when I found this website, this is a game changer. You can see we got thousands of new winning products that are coming into this website. You can filter this by niche. Let me just click on, I'm gonna go with all. And also you can see these are the new products that are trending right now. And yeah, so let's just click on this one, slang pack table hockey. Yeah, you can see that this is selling around for $51 right now, and they're probably profiting around $34. They're getting it around $17. You can see that this simple product is generating over 120,000 sales. It's a lot of sale for this type of product. You might be wondering where do they get the ads and how we can do that. So let me show you how. Okay, so you can see on the top we got export Shopify product file. This is basically you can add the product to your own store from here. Next to it we got view competitor ad. This is game changer, I'm telling you. So what you can do is just click on this, and what this is showing you is your competitor ad. So you can see other dropshippers how they make their ads, and you can just copy their ads or you can create your own. So as you guys can see, this is the ad that they are running right now, and it has over 88k views, which is impressive. And yeah, you can see all the details that they have. So yeah, it's pretty amazing that they have this on here. Also, if you scroll down, you can see the profit and metrics. You can see the total sales that it has over $120,000 sales. You can see the analytics where the source is coming from. They're getting it from AliExpress. You can see the engagement, supplier links, and also on the bottom you get product real-time chart. This is amazing because you can see how many orders they're getting every single day. And if we scroll down, we got product description. You can see in here we got all the descriptions that you need, and you can just simply copy this whole thing and paste it over your website. So if we scroll a little bit more down, you can see right here we got video ads. You can see there are two ads running right here. So what you can do with this, just click on this download attachment and you can download these two simple ads. And what's even amazing, you can just copy them and post it over to your own website, which is amazing because it took me so many hours to just buy the product and then make a content for it and post it over my website. So it's a life-saving tool to have. And if we scroll a bit down, you can see we got ad copies and thumbnail. We got all these things. You can just simply copy that, and if you want to run an ad on Facebook, you can just put this thumbnail and you can put this as a description. So yeah, you can see we got suggested targets, all these things for only $19.99. For only 19 bucks a month, you get all these access. I'm not talking about just that. Alright guys, so if you head over to the next session, it's called live product spy. You can actually further this for niche too, but I'm just gonna go for all right now. I mean, you can see the new products that are coming in, and you can see the sales that they got. So yeah, you can see like this oversized hoodie blanket. This is published 15 hours ago from this store. You can just simply copy that and paste it. See the store. This is the traffic rank, app spend, the store says, all of these things. But what's interesting about this is you can go to their Facebook and see the same thing that others are selling, and also you can see the YouTube videos that are related to this, and you get access to Shopify, Amazon, and AliExpress, which is amazing. So yeah, this is the live product spy. Let's move on to the store finder. This is where you can find others store, and you can just filter this for anything you want. Let's just filter this store tag with all dropshipper. Yeah, let's go filter by store. I'm just gonna go for Shopify right now. The niche for, let's go with arts. I mean, yeah, let's go to computers. Let's go with English worldwide. Yeah, filter by age all. And estimated sale, you can see the estimated sale. Let's go with like less than $50,000. So let's just click on filter result. Alright, so you can see we got all these stores that are in Shopify specifically, and they're selling computer based stuff. Alright guys, so what we can do with that is just click on this minus sign, and you can see that right here we can see the store description, all their contact details, their followers on social media, how many products they're selling, and also their products that are being sold right now and when it's published and where they're getting it. All these details, I'm telling you, it's amazing. You can get all of that, and you can just analyze this whole thing for yourself. Alright guys, so the last section is called audience builder. So this is where you can find your audience. You can just search a keyword and find how many people are searching it and the audience size around the world. So let me just search kitchen and see how many people are searching for kitchen. Alright, so as you guys can see, there's 441.4 million alone in just Facebook that are interested in this specific keyword. Alright, so what we can do with that is just go to handpicked product, find products that are related to kitchen. I mean, you can do other, you can just search anything you want. So I'm just saying, for example, you can search that, go to handpicked product, find products that are related to that. From there, we can see that all the description that I showed you earlier, and you can just simply copy the ad, copy the video, everything, and just go to Facebook, create an ad, and you can see that they have over 441.4 million interest. So you can do that, or you can see on here we got top hashtags on Instagram. These are the top hashtags that are being used on Instagram and more related to Instagram, and you can see the Google trend on the bottom too. So as you saw, it's pretty amazing that only for $19 a month you get access to every single thing that you need to start your own dropshipping business, or you want to scale your own business. So what are you waiting for? Check the link in the description down below, and the first 50% that sign up through the link in the description down below will get 10% off if they use the code @Syria10. So yeah, check it out. I'm sure you're gonna be amazed for how much they offer. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.